Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will speak about the cue card. So in this cue card, the question says, describe an interesting story that you heard or read about in the news. You should say when you heard or read about the story, what the story was about, why the story was in the news, and explain why you thought the story was interesting. So the answer should be like, I like reading news and keeping myself aware about what's happening around the world. And today I would like to share a piece of news that really caught my attention. About 2 weeks ago, I read a story in the weekly science editorial of a local newspaper about Joseph Dituri, a 55-year-old professor at the University of South Florida who broke the world record for the longest time living underwater. The aquanaut has been living 30 feet below in a lagoon for about 77 days. Moreover, the professor said his goal is to inspire future generations to come and learn how the human body functions in extreme environments. Now, this part answers when you heard or read about the story and what the story was about. This also introduces an interesting word called aquanaut. Now, basically, an aquanaut is nothing but a scuba diver. Those who don't know, a scuba diver is someone who dives into the ocean and researches or finds about different mammals or animals present in the ocean. Now let's go on to the other part. Additionally, the story was in the news because something like this has never been attempted. I found the story quite fascinating as I have an avid interest in learning about marine biology and often read articles and research papers about it. So this answers the third part of the question, which is why the story was in the news and explain why you thought the story was interesting. So in the next part, we'll answer the follow-ups of this cue card. Thank you for joining us. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.